and tragic.
Well, you gotta do it for the shot.